Come and check out these tray tables with me. To the left, we have the TableMate tray table, and to the right, we have the Winsome bed tray. Now, the Winsome bed tray opens up really nice. It's got the legs that pop out. You just swing it over, put it over your lap. You can do this in your bed. It's so nice if you are wanting a snack while you're looking at your phone, your tablet, or even working on your laptop. It really makes it convenient to be able to do so much work right in your bed and to accomplish and relax at the same time. It is very easy to fold up and to store. Now, the TableMate is great for if you're wanting to pull it close to you underneath a couch or a lazy boy. That's what's so nice about the C style, is that you can swing the legs out, pop the top off, whether at an angle down, angle up, or straight on, and you can pull it as close as you need, no matter where you're sitting. It has a cup holder, and here it has so much space. It's got a groove in the back. You can set your tablet in or set it off to the side with your laptop, again, with your phone, documents, anything. You really can get so much work done. And again, it folds up so nice and fits behind a chair or in your closet. So there you have it, 2 great tray tables. The choice is yours.